Korea has one of the most exciting food scenes in the world, from sizzling street stalls to Michelin-starred restaurants. I'm Kenny, and I've always wanted to explore Korean food not just by tasting it, but by stepping into the kitchen myself. In this series, I'm diving into Korean kitchens to discover the dishes, the stories, and the culture that makes it unique. Next stop is Mukjung, where Korean fermentation gets a modern twist. From bold dishes to homemade paste, it's a fresh take on traditional flavors, and I can't wait to see it. Let's go.
Hey,
How's it
Kenny.
going? Good to meet you, yeah.
See you a lot on like YouTube
Oh, no
shorts
way.
and everything.
I've seen
with
you.
your sexy voice and your like slow motion.
But I've seen you, you're on Netflix.
Oh yeah.
I saw you on that. But
Thank
I'm
you,
super
thank
excited about this. You have so many fermentation jars, I just want to learn everything about it.
Okay. I wanted to know the healing aspect of Korean food. That's why I was very curious about fermentation. And I learned from a mentor in Jeju Island. They have a farm. This is where they put all their changs. So we call these changs.
Sauces.
Yeah, all the sauces. So all this in Jeju-do. And he would always tell me like the benefits of fermentation food.
Okay, so fermentation is kind of seen as this like healthy.
Yeah. And then my friend, he hits me up and he's like, no, I know you're doing this farm to table stuff with all this fermentation stuff. Do you think you can help my dad? He has cancer right now. Do you think you can use these ingredients to help him? For 3 to 4 months, I was his private chef doing these type of changs with food. And then after all that, chemotherapy with the food, he didn't need to do surgery.
Wow.
Yeah.
Like a full recovery.
Full recovery. I want to make food to save people's lives. Everyone says, oh, my grandma's food is the best. But when you think about it, they're using the best ingredients, natural stuff.
All natural, yeah.
And that's what we're trying to do with Mukjung, but with a little bit of my identity in the mix, giving that Korean American twist to it. So first off, I will show you some of the changs that I made. This first sauce right here is our red ginseng doenjang, so our soybean paste. From my mentor, I learned how to make their type of doenjang. They try to make it more as like a medicine type of food. It's probiotics, right? Helps you
Right.
digest.
Good health. Gut health.
gut health.
Very important.
Yes, gut is your second brain.
Oh.
Know that. It's cured with salt, so it has a lot of nitrogen, which we need in our bodies. If you have a headache, take some like salt, then it helps with the headaches.
So it's all these different things that you really thought about for health, and
It
all
helps you
packed
sleep
into
well.
one little bomb.
Yeah.
It's not too salty.
Oh, it's not too. The sap tree water makes it a little bit
Sweeter,
sweet.
yeah. It's very well balanced, actually. That's really good.
So the next one we're gonna show you is our gochujang.
Classic.
Classic. One of my workers told me this. You know, when we were here, we were using these sauces and these ingredients. We were so full, but we were very clean full.
It's so different. It just feels fresher.
It's not as pasty, right?
Yeah. The grocery store is very dark and is muddy, but this seems like very clean. It's the best gochujang I ever had.
Oh,
I'm willing
really?
to say that. Yeah.
Oh, really?
of course.
Oh, wow.
This is definitely next level.
Oh, nice.
I like it.
So this one is our anchovy extract. We use salt from the Andes mountain. It's a very clean salt.
Oh, wow.
A lot of sea salt nowadays, a lot of microplastic, like radiation gas spills. So
Okay, so a lot of umami in here.
yeah, a lot. But clean umami because
Wow. As soon as you taste that, your saliva just, it clenches up.
that's fermentation. Like
Right.
that's the umami. And then lastly, I think you'll like this. First smell it and then taste it.
Okay. So this is the tangerine extract from Jeju.
Yes. Flower
Oh.
smell.
It's like a sweet wine or something like that. Wow. That's delicious. You can definitely taste the tangerine, but it's deeper than that.
Yeah. And you can taste the floralness, the earthiness.
I can't believe that's just one thing.
Just sugar and tangerines. So what we do is we make vinaigrettes.
And you mix that in for the sugar aspect. Yeah, wow.
Sure.
It feels like it's a mixture of a bunch of different ingredients in one, but it's very clean. Like if I look at the bottle, it's just like,
Yeah, very
Wow.
clean extract. Just
I like that one the most.
I have something that I prepared for you.
No way. Oh!
Mukjung tea and a mukjung apron.
No, this
with
is
your
sick.
name on it.
Yo, you see this?
It's in Korean too.
All right.
Nice,
I'm set to
nice.
learn. I'll meet
All
you in the
right.
kitchen. I'll get changed.
Okay,
All right.
cool. Today we're gonna do a tofu hummus,
I actually haven't heard of that before.
and then we're gonna do a steak with our gochujang marinade, and then we're gonna baste it with butter. You tried Hanu before, right?
Yeah, I had it once or twice.
Okay.
Yeah.
You didn't have it this time.
No, not this.
Oh, so we have Hanu 2+9.
Oh, that's the good
Nine,
stuff.
yeah. So
Okay.
you ready?
I'm
to
ready.
learn?
Yeah.
All right. So basically, what we have here, we'll start off with our chickpeas and our mirepoix. And we're gonna boil this in boiling water, salt water.
Okay.
So we get our sachet, just gonna put everything in here. We're gonna just get the vegetable stock soaked into the chickpeas. So we're gonna put salt, we're gonna put the chickpeas, and then we're gonna put the mirepoix. That's it. Simple, right?
Very clean.
All right, so the second one, we're gonna make the puree. So as you can see here, we have chickpeas.
And 1 garlic.
Yes.
Of course.
Tofu, lemon juice. Instead of adding salt or tahini paste for the umami, our anchovy extract. And then for this one, we have doenjang. So we're just gonna blend that all together.
We're just waiting for it. Wait.
Wanna check it out?
All right, let's see it. Ooh. Yeah, that looks good, yeah.
And then lastly, what we're gonna do, hold this for a sec.
I got you.
So, have you tried perilla seed oil before?
Yes.
Instead of using extra virgin olive oil for our hummus, we use that Korean type of oil.
Ooh.
So right now, it's
Wow. That's fantastic.
So right now it's very savory. How do we balance this out? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna peel this and pickle it
Oh.
with our tangerine extract. What you're gonna do is just make a ball like this.
Ooh.
Right?
So it's nicely shaped, huh?
Yeah.
Same with the carrots?
Carrots too. I'll just cut the radish. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Yeah, you got it. You're good. Good. Oh, nice.
Uh-oh.
Very
That
nice.
was a bad one. I'm not as skilled as Austin is.
No. You're doing
trying my
really
best.
good right now. You're doing really good.
So this cucumber is a bit paler than the cucumbers I'm used to.
Yeah, it's like a Korean style cucumber.
Oh, okay.
Usually use it for like muchim, like a type of like panchan. So what we're gonna put in here is the vinaigrettes. We have vinegar here. We have the orange extract, and then we have a little bit of lemon juice.
Oh, the citrus. Yeah.
Citrus.
Mix it up. Oh, this looks so colorful.
Yeah.
Wow.
We'll just plate it. Let me just slab it. Give it a little nice nudge.
Yeah.
And then, put some of this. And then we have the radish just to make it look a little nice.
Yeah, very, very pretty.
And then end it off with some.
Some of that perilla seed oil.
Yes.
I like that a lot.
You know how you usually eat it with like pita chips or pita bread?
Something to dip it with.
So we thought we would use it for like with seaweed chips.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's a good idea. Okay. I'm gonna
Okay.
try to do exactly how you do it.
Oh no! Just
I'm not.
just give it your character. I mean,
Okay, my character?
yeah.
I don't know if I have character, but let's see.
Slap it on and then.
Oh, that was a bit loud. Something like that.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it already doesn't look the way he did it. With the balls. Well, that might be too much. Oh! He already chopped up the nice ones. So just do a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and then a little bit of this, right? Perilla seed oil.
Oh, whoa! Oh man!
I went a little bit heavy on that.
We'll just add some oregano, some chervil to brighten everything up a little.
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay, so next one, because you're in Korea, I want to show you like a Hanu dish. There's like levels, right? So this is a Hanu 2 plus.
2 plus.
2 plus is the highest.
Oh.
So you can see the marbling. That
That
marbling is
looks crazy.
all right. Just gonna blend this together. This is like our marinade. So it's gochujang, soy sauce, sugar, some garlics, ginger, leeks, pepper flakes, and sesame seeds.
Okay. I'm assuming we're just doing all of it.
We don't have this at a restaurant. This is like a first time making this.
Oh, you're freestyling right now.
I'm just freestyle.
Okay, I get you.
Yes. And then we're just gonna blend that.
Max blend. Oh, it's going. All right.
All right, so
The result.
how does it smell?
Smells so good, man.
So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go to the grill and grill this and then baste it. First, we wanna get the pan on like super high heat with a little bit of oil. We don't put a lot. Hanu itself has a lot of marbling. Season it a little bit because this marinade itself is a little bit salty. Just a little bit of pepper. So kind of my rule is when you sear this, it's all temperature control. So I would keep it 70-30. So one side very crispy. All right, so we'll do this. Ooh, nice sear, right? We keep it in a high temperature just to sear it, and then pretty much do everything else by basting it. We're gonna put a little bit of this gochujang marinade. You don't need a lot, just infuse it a little bit because it might stick.
Yeah. Wow, that looks good. It smells so good right now.
Lastly, we just baste everything, So we'll put this, and then we'll put the juice.
Nice. Ooh. That's
And
going
then
up.
now I'm gonna put this in the oven.
Yep.
Just to get the temperature. I don't think you need to put a lot. Now it's your turn.
Austin style. So first, I'm gonna heat it up. Just lightly salted.
Lightly salt, yes.
Why am I nervous? I'm having like an actual chef watch me now.
I won't watch you then. I'll see the I'll see the finished product then.
Alright. This is the Hanu. The good stuff.
Oh, that's a nice sear right there. Ooh, sounds so nice. Lower the temperature, take out it from, you don't want it burnt, and then put the basting sauce. There we go. Out of the heat.
Is this enough?
Yeah, let's
Do a nice spoonful.
infuse it, emulsify it.
Yeah. Oh, I think it's not enough butter.
Or easier way, just caramelize it, you know. There you go, just coat it like that. I try to just baste it to get that temperature, but I think you can get the temperature from the oven. Put the rest of the sauce on top. Ooh.
Nice. That looks good.
Just slide it right in.
In the oven.
Hey, good job, man. Yeah. Try a little bit and then, oh, nice, right? Nice. Because this is very savory, I thought we use like Korean style pickles. So this is cilantro pickle.
I love cilantro, so this is
Same here. Just put this right here.
Oh.
Cool.
There you go.
Ooh, nice. Nice
Yeah.
color now. Wanna?
It's a bit better, yeah.
Oh, nice.
It's a bit nicer.
Nice.
Okay.
Very nice.
Taught me a lot about blending different ingredients together to create a cool combo that works really well in tandem with all your pickling, fermentation. So I appreciate it. Thank you so
Oh,
much.
no. Thank you for coming and learning. I mean,
Yeah.
it's cool.
It's a blast. I'm excited to try this.
Yeah, let's try that. Aren't you hungry?
Yeah. Let's go upstairs and try it.
Yeah, let's try.
Okay, let's do it. It is finally time to eat. And just looking at these 4 plates right now, I would say 2 of them look better than the other ones. So I'm gonna focus on the good looking ones here. Let's start with this actually. So he said seaweed chip instead of pita bread. Let's see. There's perilla oil, tofu hummus, a bunch of pickled carrots, and cucumber. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. So it tastes like hummus, but with a Korean twist. So I think the biggest thing that jumped out is the perilla seed oil. It's super different. This is on the menu, so if you guys ever visit, you guys should try this one. So this is the Hanu steak. It's a perfect cook. And let me get some of this pickled cilantro on there. Oh, the pickled cilantro is really good. I feel like it balances out perfectly. It's sweet, but then I love cilantro personally, so that goes super well with it. Wow. At the beginning, he had me taste all those 4 jangs, and I feel like he incorporated all of them into this like perfectly. The jang that he made with the tangerine from all the way from Jeju, that was so good. And he incorporated it into this dish like perfectly with the pickles. And it's just like a burst of sweetness, but sour. It's like so well balanced. Super good. He used the gochujang for the steak. That worked really well. I feel like gochujang is just one of those Korean ingredients that works with everything. He really used the fermentation skills all the way, and he incorporates it in every aspect of the dish, which I think is really cool. It's like a very unique concept of a restaurant. And you can tell just by looking at it that it's not like any other restaurant. So this is a super cool experience. And I would just say, you guys have to try it for yourself. You want some? For our next and final stop on this journey, we're headed to Gold Pig, one of Seoul's most iconic barbecue spots. There's 106 people outside right now, and I gotta serve these people.
Be careful. It's too hot.
It's very hot. How did I do?
You?
Yeah.